Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the Lightshot app is not working on your computer and you're looking for a solution, then watch this video. The first solution to fix the Lightshot not working is to run Lightshot app as an admin. So let's enter Lightshot here and we can see this option, run as administrator. Click on that, click on yes, and Lightshot should work. So let us check. We'll click on the Lightshot icon and we will take a screenshot, save, and yes, it's working. Now if this doesn't work for you, then the only option is to uninstall and reinstall Lightshot. So how do we do that? We will right click on the start button, look for settings, and we will go to apps, installed apps, and look for Lightshot here. Click on these three buttons and click on uninstall. Then to install Lightshot, we'll open the browser and search for Lightshot download, and then we click on the Lightshot and we can download for Windows. If this video solved your problem, then please subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.